Hello dear traders, today is the 20th of June, Thursday. Here's a red hot market review prepared for InstaForex. The Bank of England has announced its key rate decision today. It has decided to keep the benchmark rate unchanged. A bit later, the regulator will hold a press conference. It is a really important event. Traders will also pay attention to the US unemployment claims figures and the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. Now I'd like to share a few trading ideas with you. Let's discuss them on the charts. Gold has passed all the targets I mentioned earlier. There was a swing low, a test of these areas, and an update of extreme levels. It is a common situation for gold after downward corrections. As for the euro-dollar pair, I gave a trading idea based on the pair's appreciation. I'm also monitoring the formation of swings. The swing that occurred on June 18 was tested earlier today. The pair may continue gaining value if today's reports turn out to be weak after yesterday's holiday. The pair may test the swing located near 1.0781 and climb even higher. The pound-dollar pair dropped amid the key rate decision. Now it is recovering. Notably, the main target is located at 1.2892. There, you can see an area formed between an extreme levels recorded in March and June. The Australian dollar is currently more resilient than the pound sterling and the euro. The main target is seen at quarterly at 6-month highs. The pair may exceed the level of 0.69 in just a matter of time. As I expected, the USD-CAD pair is sliding from a swing high. You can see 3 targets, with the main one located on the low recorded in March. The dollar-yen pair shows no reaction to the greenback's depreciation. The yen continues losing value. Traders should wait until the Bank of Japan takes some action. I will end here for now. Stay tuned.